The GRK fastener's top star screw replaces shims, so you can use it when you're hanging doors or windows or even cabinets against the wall.
It's actually a screw within a screw. The inner screw turns independently of the outer portion of the fastener. The outer part is driven into a door jamb using a crown bit. Once the fastener is flush, the crown bit is removed, exposing a star bit. The inner screw is now adjusted in and out until the jamb is plumb. GRK's concrete screws are designed with a highly aggressive thread that drives easily and burrows into concrete. The hard metal screw requires no anchor and actually cuts threads into the concrete, providing excellent holding power. It can be removed and reinserted into the same hole numerous times without the fastener breaking or the threads wearing out. GRK's composite decking screws come in a variety of colors and do not require pre-drilling. This so-called C-thread slightly enlarges the hole for the screw shank, reducing friction and increasing the screw's drawing strength. The rings on the shank have indented fiber traps that eliminate the mushroom effect often seen on composite decking. The underside of the head features saw blade-like cutting teeth that leave a perfectly clean hole on the surface. This is GRK's rugged structural screw. Available in lengths up to 20 inches, this fastener can replace conventional lag screws and has one big advantage. Despite its length, it requires no pre-drilling. The screw also has impressive drawing power, due in great part to the C-thread that enlarges the shaft, reducing friction.